Ready to join the vibrant world of Instagram? Learn how to easily create a brand new account and start sharing your photos, videos, and stories with friends and the world. Creating a new account on Instagram is a straightforward process, and you can do it right from the app on your smartphone. So, you want to go ahead and open up the app. There, look for a button that says Create New Account. Once you tap on it, you'll have two options. You can either sign up through your phone number or through your email. We'll be using email for this tutorial. After selecting that option, put in your email address. Then, you'll need to put in a verification code from your inbox. Once you do, you'll need to put in a password for your account. Then your birthday, followed by your name, followed by your username. After all that, you'll need to go through and agree to Instagram's terms and policies. And once you click on agree, you'll have completed creating an account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!